Here we are in the Michael Maney showroom today to talk to you about the Camellia Collection. And this collection is massive. So we're going to try and highlight all the different pieces here so you can see. First off, two different colors. You can see over here a pecan color, and then here where I'm standing is we have more of a caramel color. So two different colors. So when we show you all these pieces, we might not be showcasing all the different colors, but no, we have two colors. So everything, again, you can expect from a Michael Maney collection. Marble top, soft closed drawers on all of these pieces, USB on USB-A and USB-C on all the beds for ease of access, charging, all of what you'd expect to see here. So dresser, mirror, all these things. So the reason it's called the Camellia Collection is you're going to notice all throughout is this camellia is a flower from East Asia, and you're going to see it all throughout. You're going to see this flower in the handles, in the tops, everything out, trying to show really what this is. But you can see how beautiful it is. Two-tone colors, as you can see, the pecan color, but then we have the gold accents. It really gives it a nice, soft, warm feel to it. A bed bench, which is kind of unique to a lot of collections now, but you can see we have a bed bench. All the upholstery. You can see the flower coming in through the back here and all of these pieces. That's the whole idea behind it. The accent pieces, occasional pieces, coffee table, end table, everything that you'd want to be able to complete your home. Here we have the dining table in the caramel color. As we look here in the top, you'll see on the top that flower again is highlighted, accented in all the tables. A rectangular table. Here we're showcasing it with both leaves installed. You could remove the leaf to make the table shorter if you'd like, but a round table, a dark table. The gold base really deserves a look at it because of its look. Really just a neat pedestal on this collection. A sofa table in here. We have a sideboard buffet. And then in here I'll walk in to show you the whole sectional that there is. With the poof ottomans. You could use these poof ottomans, as we showed earlier, as a bed bench. You could use them in the living room, but a really nice wood trim sectional here. Also do it in the sofa with the bench seat, very popular bench seat. Kind of a curved back to the sofa. Entertainment center. All the pieces that you'd look for in your home, you'll find here in the Camellia Collection. Look no further here. If you're looking to fill the whole home, need lots of pieces, you'll find them here.